Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 16 must-have tools for remote workers to improve productivity. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. RealVNC. RealVNC is an application that enables you to access and control one computer with another one. This helps you to access both the computer and mobile devices with ease. It is a trusted application across the globe by reputed organizations. RealVNC assures the utmost security to control your devices, and even allows you to customize the security protocols to enhance the safety of all users. Number 2. Screens. Screens is the best application that allows you to control your Mac remotely from anywhere. It connects you to other devices remotely by providing a secure connection between the devices. It has a mode named as Curtain, in which the Mac desktop can be hidden while accessing it remotely. You can easily transfer files from one Mac to another with blazing speed. Number 3. TightVNC. TightVNC is a free VNC software that helps users to control their computers remotely with lightning speed. It is a very lightweight application and can be used very comfortably. Number 4. NordVPN. NordVPN is a reputed VPN tool provides fast and secure VPN services to users. It protects you from ads, trackers, and malware. This integrates all new techniques and features to avoid you from cyber attacks. Using NordVPN allows you to access confidential websites or company websites in a very secure way. This has a user base of 14 million plus users across the globe with the best reviews and ratings. NordVPN provides its application compatible with various devices like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Android TV, and more. Number 5. Shimo. Shimo is the best VPN client service available for Mac users. This is a very powerful and trusted VPN client across the globe. It provides an optimized user experience with the highest standards of security. Shimo is compatible with the latest version of macOS, and you can also use it in the dark mode. Number 6. OpenVPN. OpenVPN is one of the best VPN Connect client software to connect and work with your organization with the utmost security measures. You can connect to any compatible server like OpenVPN Cloud or OpenVPN Protocol. It uses 2FA and SAML authentication to secure your connections. OpenVPN is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Number 7. TunnelBlick. TunnelBlick is an open-source VPN software for Mac users to access data securely and remotely. It is free from ads, affiliate marketing, and other spam things. This works only on Mac and iOS only, so TunnelBlick is not for Windows and Linux users. TunnelBlick has an excellent support team to resolve the issue if any arise. Number 8. ForkLift 3. The ForkLift is one of the best FTP software that allows you to manage the files on a server at a blazing speed. You can easily access all the files available on the servers from anywhere and at any time with the appropriate credentials. It even syncs your entire storage disks and allows you to preview and edit the data remotely. It is compatible with the latest version of macOS and also supports dark mode. The ForkLift has a user-friendly interface, and makes the user feel comfortable while working with it. Number 9. FileZilla. FileZilla is a free and open-source FTP solution that allows users to upload, download, and manage all their data remotely. FileZilla client uses the FTP, TLS, and SFTP services. FileZilla offers a Pro version that comes with additional protocols like Amazon S3, WebDAV, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Microsoft Azure, and much more. Number 10. CyberDuck. CyberDuck is one of the best and easy-to-use FTP clients that suits best for all types of users. It is available for both Windows and Mac operating system. Unlike other FTP clients, CyberDuck integrates best into the Mac system and even supports Mac features like Keychain and Finder. Number 11, ChatMate for WhatsApp. ChatMate Pro for WhatsApp is the best WhatsApp client for Mac users. It helps you to chat and share media files with your family and colleagues from your Mac itself. This saves lots of time from looking into your phone and replying to messages. You can access multiple WhatsApp accounts from this one application. It has many advanced features which will help you a lot in your daily life. ChatMate Pro for WhatsApp is the perfect choice for Mac users to improve their productivity by responding to message instantly. Number 12, IM Plus. IM Plus is an all-in-one app messaging app that makes communication fast and simple. It supports to use of nearly 24 plus popular messaging apps. This application started serving the users from the year 2002 and got a huge response. IM Plus allows you to transfer files at lightning speed with utmost security. You can connect multiple accounts and also your workplace messaging applications for easy access. Number 13, Canary Mail. Canary Mail is a very simple tool that helps users to manage mail in a very handy way. It has a very clean and easy-to-use interface with advanced tools. It is integrated with AI tools to help in each step of your work. You can find the required emails just by asking the AI to do that, and it will do it efficiently. It has various advanced features to improve and enhance productivity at work. Canary Mail allows you to customize the inbox as you like with shortcuts, and filters to compose or reply to mail easily. Number 14, Archiver. Archiver is a file compression app that helps you to compress files according to your preferences. It supports opening Zip Archiver, RAR, 7Z, and much more. It allows you to encrypt and protect files using the password. For easy handling, Archiver provides a preview of the files without opening the archived file. Archiver has a feature to split and combine the larger files to make transferring and sharing convenient. Number 15, BetterZip. BetterZip is one of the best compression apps available for Mac users to handle file compression tasks. This app allows you to open, preview, extract, and much more. It is a very handy software to use with lots of amazing features. BetterZip supports extracting nearly 30 file types like zip, tar, 7zip, bin hex, Apple disk image, etc. You can easily have a preview of the file before extracting the file. It uses AES-256 encryption to protect your data. Number 16, Permute. Permute is an amazing converter application that allows you to convert various media files. The process of converting in Permute is pretty simple and fast. Along with the conversion of the file format, the files are also compressed to reduce the size to make them compatible for sharing. Unlike other media converter applications, Permute supports WebP and SVG formats. Permute can convert files into ISO formats. It is available with the integration of Downy. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.